local authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas: Kimball, Mason, McCulloch, Llano, San Saba, Lampasas, Coryell, Falls, Bell, Milam, Lee, Burleson, Washington, Austin, Colorado, Fayette, Lavaca, Wood, Wilson, Bixar, Bandera, Medina, Kirk, Gillespie, Burnett, Williamson, Bastrop, Colwell, Guadalupe, Comal, Texas, at 12:22 p.m. on October 11th, 2025, effective until 12:22 p.m. October 12th, 2025. Local Amber Alert. Missing/possibly abducted child from Bee Cave, Texas. Missing child is Penelope Hernandez, 11-year-old Hispanic female, last seen wearing light blue sleeve shirt, gray basketball shorts, unicorn backpack and a brown shoulder purse. Has circle scars on both forearms. Call Bee Cave Police Department with information. If seen, call 911.